4-in-1 DIY toggle switch panel. Dual USB socket plus voltmeter plus 12 volts outlet plus on/off toggle switch. It's convenient for installing and operating. Also detachable to replace other charger sockets or anything else that fits. Real-time LED voltmeter. The LED voltmeter shows accurate voltage status, reminds you whether the voltage is at a normal level, more secure for driving. Also allows quick and easy usage in the darkness. Your charging needs. Safety. The wires was built-in 10A fuse for overload protection. It can charge safely, without risk of overheating or damaging devices. Multifunctional product with LED indicator light, perfect for travel use. Fits for 12 to 24 volts cars, trucks, marine boats, ATV, RV, etc. The USB socket with dual output 5 volts, 2. 1A, 5 volts, 2. 1A charging port. Package includes 4-in-1 toggle switch panel, 3 packs of connecting wires, 9 insulated terminals, 4 mounting screws, 1 wiring diagram. Oral-B Click features a replaceable brush head so that it uses up to 60% less plastic over 2 years. Oral-B Click. Expect more from a toothbrush. Uses 60% less plastic over 2 years versus regular manual toothbrush changed every 3 months as per dentist recommendation. Oral-B Click features a replaceable brush head so that it uses up to 60% less plastic over 2 years. Oral-B Click. Expect more from a toothbrush. Uses 60% less plastic over 2 years versus regular manual toothbrush changed every 3 months as per dentist recommendation. Top reviews from the United States. Great customer service. Had an issue with the panel Amazon sent me. I think it had been a return, and the vendor responded quickly and resolved the problem. I am using this panel on a 12V18650 battery pack. Looks plenty durable for my project and all the ports work as expected. Voltmeter was accurate, tested against my 2 digital multimeters and was easy to install.